Hello, my name is Stéphane Voland and I work for FRCUMA West, the regional federation of CUMA in western part of France.
CUMA. What is a CUMA first? CUMA stands for Coopérative d'utilisation de matériel agricole. It's a local agricultural cooperative where farmers can share machines, of course, and also employees and workshops. It's quite common in France. We have about 2,000 CUMA in the western part of France. I'm also now experienced in piloting EIP agri projects. And if I am not here with you today, that's because I am dealing with an IEP project on the development of robotics in the fields in Normandy.
On the European level, I am also involved in two Erasmus projects, TerraTech, and we also started a few weeks ago another one, AgriFood for Future. We are also a partner in the Farmtopia project, this Eurozone Europe project. It is focused on the adoption of new technology by small farms. First time we joined the Edge 2020 project, it was with Smartakis project.
Now, what about the multi-actor approaches? Well, I will take the example of the EIP project, Robot des Champs, that I'm coordinating today. This project is supported by the CUMA network in the western part of France, and it's being carried out in partnership across the Normandy region especially. The FRCUMA West is the leader of this project. In our mission, we have to represent and promote the CUMA, of course, and the farmers who are members of the CUMA. And in our job, we produce a lot of economic and technical references on the use of equipment and about work organization. We are also a sort of research and development unit for the CUMA network in western part of France. We work regularly with the local federation on the field, and in this project we work with the Fédération des CUMA de Normandie. This is a local federation, and they have skills in group organization. They have skills about expertise and trials in agri equipment also. It is very important to involve end user in such a project. For us, the end users are CUMA members, of course, the farmers, and also CUMA employees. We call on them as much as possible to characterize their real needs and to get their feedback from the field. Our project also involves an experimental station, and it was really important for us to include them in the project because our CUMA network doesn't have advisors about vegetables. We are more specialized, more linked to livestock farming on field crops, to arable crops, but not really in vegetables. So it's also a sort of complementarity to associate the Céléban and the CUMA network. For the CUMA Federation and also for the Céléban, you have to know that elected farmers are the decision makers. Farmers are therefore at the heart of this project. We have also associated Unilassal, so that's engineering school with a chair specialized today in agromachinism and new technology. And the teaching researchers and their students works on the appropriation and about the dissemination of new technologies. And having an higher education establishment for us involves that we have also a sort of guarantee of structured thinking and also about methodology. In conclusion, I'd like to say that in this project, it is really important to have the point of view and the feedback of farmers and also of CUMA employees for us.
Logically, they have to be the real beneficiaries of such a project. I want also to add that we will seek to associate robot manufacturers and also local distributors of robotics.
Because if they want to be able in the future to offer and to sell machines, to sell robots to the farmers, and also service associated, they need to be relevant with the expectation of our cooperatives today.
Today and, of course, for the future. Thank you for your listening.